What's up guys, Drew Peacock here, bringing you another episode of Instagram Car Fails, where I go on the Instagram Explore page, my bad, tongue-tied right there, where I go on the Instagram Explore page and look for car fails of different sorts, imports, exports, domestic, trucks, motorcycle, whatever the hell's going on the Explore page. I just find some clips, throw them together, and I'm gonna see my 2 cents of them. This week, I actually saw this clip on YouTube first, and then I saw it on Instagram. It is a car meet, donuts going on as usual, people running out there like fucking eagles. Just take a look,
Meep meep.
Alright, so that guy looked like he was about to pass out. This is what I don't like about car meets. Now this is cool, don't get me wrong, doing donuts is all fun and shit like that, but you know, it is dangerous. And when you got morons, when you're bringing your son to work, you know, bringing your kid to the car meet, obviously this isn't a kid, I'm joking, but when you're a dumbass at a car meet and you're standing right where the car is coming, like, you know, it's not like you don't hear it, it's not like you don't see it, it's like, well, I don't know how this happens, I don't know what he's doing there. Miata does come a little wide, but I mean, come on, man, what are you doing? You just kissed the trunk of the car. He looks like he's about to pass out right there. He probably lost all his air. Everyone else is crowding around him. At least, if it was a Mustang, they would have destroyed the Mustang. I don't know if you guys remember that clip a few months ago. I'm not going to throw it in, but that was going around everywhere. Everyone stomped out the Mustang, beat up the driver. It was insane. But since it's a cute little Miata, he just gave the trunk a kiss, and, you know, he's probably going to continue doing donuts. Miata's fine. Guy looks fine. Just dangerous car meets, man. Dangerous car meets. Alright, thumbnail is kind of saying a lot. Let's take a look. Alright, so I'm gonna start talking. So we got a McLaren guy showing off, Supreme sticker on the inside. Way to ruin your McLaren, man. Slams into another supercar, an Audi R8, a most beautiful, I don't know, I love Audi R8s, man. They're so beautiful. V10s. Oh my god, I want one day. But anyway, you slam into the only supercar on the road. You just totaled your car. You just totaled his car. Look at all this BMW, van. Oh, look at bright-ass Audi R8, heat-seeking mode, Mustang driver going straight in there. You saw the guy and he was like, you ain't escaping this. My McLaren. I don't know what he was doing here. I don't know if he was trying to flex. I don't know if he was just trying to, you know, fly down the road real fast or something. I don't know what was going on. I don't know all the context. This is a slightly older clip. You guys might have seen it before, but come on, man. This is just, you know, if you're losing traction, don't throttle down even more. Don't pedal to the metal. Just let off, you know, take the L. Just cruise normal, okay? You don't need to slam into supercars. Not everyone has to be a Mustang driver. Coming from a Mustang driver, come on, man. You guys should know better than this. You can afford good cars. Take driving lessons. Just come on. It doesn't have to be like this. Poor Audi guy, man. He was just going to work or some shit like that. Poor Audi guy. Alright, from this thumbnail, we see a dude running away from a Camaro. Usually it's a Mustang, but he's running away from the Camaro. Maybe it's just an ugly Camaro. Maybe it's a V6. I don't know. Let's check it out.
What the fuck?
Alright, so this clip is pretty straightforward. We got someone was trying to show off their Camaro. They were like, yo, dude, you can't hate on the Camaro until you drive it. Get out of your Mustang and hop into my Camaro and just take it for a spin. And the dude now is scared shitless and he is booking it. A Mustang driver in a Camaro. I mean, this is just the biggest paradox ever. Slams into the Monte Carlo. I feel bad for that Monte Carlo on 22s. Feel bad for that. I think it missed a Mustang barely. It looked like there was a Mustang right behind the Monte Carlo. Just more people that just can't control their car. What's wrong with people, man? I mean, come on. It's not even a Mustang. I don't know if there was a fat burnout going on before that. I don't know. I see a lot of flashing. I don't know what all that is. I have no idea what's going on there. But again, I just really wish I knew the context. Ditched the car. It might have been a stolen car. You know, who knows? But poor Camaro, poor Monte Carlo. A bunch of bad stuff going on. Rest in peace, Camaro. Rest in peace. Alright, we got a 300ZX facing the wrong way. Let's place a bet right now. Is it A, getting care package dropped from a helicopter? B, the car where the camera is being filmed on is driving the wrong way? Or C, we got another retarded driver driving the 300ZX. Let's take a look. Alright. So let me break it down. We got a 300ZX going for a wide drift. This is a good drift right there. That looks nice. That looks nice. That looks nice. Okay. Alright. He loses control here. Spins out. Faces the wrong way. Okay. You just messed up on a drift, man. What are you going to do next? Oh, you're going to try to drift out of it? Oh, and then you just slammed into your friend's car. Congrats. Alright. That's a whole lot of body work for both cars. It's raining out. Good sliding weather, but come on. Okay. This drift, it looked promising right here. I was like, damn, that's, you know, he's holding it down. He's holding it down. Okay. He whipped the other way. Shit, okay, he lost control. Like, why did he go for the second one? He could have just left like a man or just did a burnout once he got around the other way. Whipped it right into his friend's car. Poor friend, trying to do him a solid by recording him in an Instagram video so he can get all the babes. Nope, now he's not getting any babes. Look at that, he just slammed the shit out of his 300ZX. That's a nice looking 300ZX too. I like that little wing or spoiler. It looks pretty clean, so... I want a 300ZX, man. Someone send me a 300ZX. I want to drive one. I just want to drive one, see what they're like, but... Poor people, man. What's wrong with people crashing their cars, man? It's sad for them. Poor people. I'm not calling them poor, but financially, I'm just saying like poor people, as in. All right, you guys get it. All right, we got a Lexus ISF drag racing double parachutes. This is a promising car right here. Alright, so you see a lot of clips like this. You never see them with a Lexus, so that's surprising. Usually they're like those like drag fucking fully drag cars, big ass like 30-inch rear tires, like full on slicks. This is pretty impressive right here for a Lexus to be doing that, to be flying away to the heavens. I mean, I feel bad for the Lexus obviously and the driver. I hope he was okay, but that was pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, to go flying like that, that's pretty cool. That wing, that big ass wing on the back served its purpose, man. Sent him straight into the sky. Badass. Like I said, that's pretty impressive right there. I really feel bad for that build because look at that shit just get fucking rolled up on the fence like a blunt. Poor build, poor guy. That's pretty cool though. I mean, it almost looks fake. It almost looks fake. Like the way it just glides away like that, it just looks like a frisbee was tossed. Look at it. Pew! It just glides away, starts going vertical. I mean, that was pretty crazy right there. You need some canards on that shit. You need something to hold that shit down. That was insane. Again, just more crazy shit, man. A lot of bad stuff this episode of Instagram car fails. A lot of sad crashes right here. That wing did not do its job. All right, we got two demons going at it. That's what the caption says right here. Let's see what happens. Alright, dude, I don't know what this episode could literally be Mustang fails, but like none of them are Mustangs. Now, in all my other ones, there's always like a Mustang messing up. This time I didn't find any that I haven't seen before, so I was like, you know what, I'll switch it up a little. People get mad that I usually talk about imports. They say I bandwagon one side or the other. I'm pretty neutral. I don't really care. I'll show a fail of no matter what car or truck it is. It's just whatever I find first. And this was actually one of the first clips I saw. We got two Dodge Demons going at it. The guy in the white, just again, pedaling down, can't control his car. I know they have a lot of power, 840 power on race gas, about 800 and something on just 91 or whatever the hell your tune is for. But a lot of power, and I mean, if you're breaking loose, let off. Just, you'll hook again. Don't slam on the brakes either. You'll just keep sliding at that point. Let off the gas, pump the brakes, try to get traction so you're not spinning around. Luckily, he didn't crash into anyone. It would have been a huge loss if this guy would have slammed into the other demon. It was so close, man. That other demon, if he would have hit the brakes, he would have been toast, man. It would have been demon on demon action. Some antichrist shit right there. But again, another happy ending, I guess. I mean, he didn't wreck, and the other demon was fine. So this is probably like the best ending of any video today. But oh god, just more Mustang drivers buying more expensive cars, man. We had the McLaren, we had that Camaro, I guess, and we had the demon. Rest in peace to all these people, man. All their cars are just toast, except for this guy. This guy came out on top. But anyway, guys, little quick video today. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment, drop a like, hit that notification bell to become a part of the Peacock flock. I am working on some logos. You guys have been asking for some merchandise, stickers, shirts, just anything that I can pump out. I'm working on some logos. I don't know what you guys would prefer, so I'm just kind of, you know, trying to think of what I can do. So I might have a few coming. Just I might have some polls up on my Instagram. So if you want to submit your cars for Rice or Nice, which is another series I do if you're new to this channel, if you want to submit your cars for Rice or Nice, shoot them over to my Instagram at ___ Drew Peacock. I generally do that every Friday, so keep your eyes out for that. Until next time, peace.